lot of ants get inside this tree bark, which holds water and nutrients, and gnats like to live inside the lichen and the bark that's on the tree. So let's say if I tear one big chunk of wood off the tree, you'll see some big ants with huge heads, those are the soldiers, or smaller ants that don't have big heads or abdomens, which are the voyagers. So a lot of animals like to eat trees, also known as ants, Asian longhorn beetles. Listen closely to that. Asian longhorn beetles. So how did they get here from Asia to North America? So some scientists think that they got here on boats that are carrying firewood. And this is lichen right here. It's not a part of the tree bark. It's actually a plant growing on the tree bark. And yeah, in Asia, golden snub-nosed monkeys love to eat this stuff. Even though it's only a mix of bacteria and funguses, it also holds protein to keep the monkeys warm in winter. Because these are winter monkeys I'm talking about. Now this is a 19-year-old tree, and it's growing some flowering plants, low leaves, and there's another tree over here.
How do you know this one's 19 years old?
Because all of these circles are going into this spot, and how many circles I count is how old this tree is.
Mm-hmm.
And I think 19 years old in tree is 90 years old. So this is technically older than my sister.
There's no tree years though.
Yes, there is.
No, there isn't, because trees could live for a long time.
Up to 200 years, actually. And some animals can live up to 300.
Like who?
Let's see. Giant Galapagos tortoises. And let's see. Ooh, the bowhead whales. Ooh, I got a big chunk right here. Look what bonanza I got. Alright. If I could get really deep in this, like a woodpecker or something, I could really see some ants chewing all the way down here, getting all the way up to the leaves. And my sister told me that some people eat tree bark.
Alright, so that's Animal Facts with Aiden.
Yeah. Hey guys, so this is part 2 of our adventures with trees and other animals. This is a different tree I like to climb sometimes, and this one has way more lichen on it, and way more ants. Can I get it? Thanks. So there's a lot of ants right on the tree bark, right here, running around. See them? Yeah. So a lot of animals like to eat trees, like I told you in this last video. Ants, Asian longhorn beetles, ash beetles, and termites. So we're gonna move up the food chain. Whoa. Alright. So ants eat the tree. Woodpeckers eat ants, and woodpeckers get eaten by martins, and martins get eaten by wolves. That's one food chain. So we're gonna go to water animals, which are like grain animals, like worms and snails. So we're gonna go down here. Where you can hear a bird chirping. Man! What? I can't see them. Alright, I know there's a snail right around here, somewhere. A living one that I didn't step on. Yup, right here. So this is a snail, and there's some kind of other ground wet snails, like dog whelks and periwinkles on the side of the intertidal zone, where periwinkles eat algae. They're like gazelle on land. They eat grass. But a dog whelk is a very different kind than any land or water snail. They're predator snails. They eat other shellfish like ground snails or periwinkles, and the toughest of all, mussels. But mussels have some pretty cool defenses to deal with these guys. Like for example, they have a sticky glue substance that they can squirt at the dog whelk to defend itself. And there's other animals in the intertidal, like let's see, like lobsters. Like at Red Lobsters was my sister used to work. Brittany, would you like to introduce the crowd to you?
I'm good. I'll just be the camera guy.
Alright, so we're going around pretty good over here. And I found a black beetle right around here. This is another water creature that skitters around really quick across the leaves. And I caught him right here. See how he's not moving anymore? He's really scared. But I won't hurt him a tinge. I really try to not hurt easy to kill animals, but I'm stepping on easy to kill animals all the times, like ants when I'm walking through the grass. But that's okay, because there's trillions and billions of ants all around. And I found a moving snail right here. This guy likes to nibble on rocks, and it has 25,000 teeth. So yeah. And here's a tiny guy with the part sticking out. Wow. So if you're even lucky enough to find any worms or frogs outside, get out and explore. See you later.